Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm back with another 1 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour, 10 hour drawing challenge, and today I will draw Gohan and Piccolo. I already did a few videos like this and the last one was around 7 months ago, so why not continue this series. As you can see, I already drew the boxes for each time limit and I will use my phone as a timer as usual. Let's get right into it guys, starting with the 1 minute drawing, so let's see how it will go. Let's go. So, this one actually turned out pretty good. I drew Gohan Beast and I got further than I thought. For 1 minute, it's not bad I think. Let's see what I can do in 10 minutes, and for this, I will draw Orange Piccolo. Let's go. Alright, once again, it's pretty good for 10 minutes. I managed to do the coloring and shading and even give him an aura and lightning. It's okay, for 10 minutes it's good I think, and now let's check out what I can do in 1 hour, and therefore I will draw Gohan Beast and Orange Piccolo together. Let's go. Alright guys, I still got a few minutes left, but I was done with the drawing. I think it looks not too bad, but I like the idea behind this drawing more than the drawing itself. I can see lots of mistakes as both faces look kinda weird, but 1 hour is also not much time to create a high quality artwork. For 1 hour it's still good, considering that I did the sketching, inking, coloring and shading for 2 characters. I like it, and now we can get to the interesting part, the 10-hour drawing. For this, I'm using an A4 size paper sheet in portrait mode, and I had a great idea for this. I wanted to show the evolution of Gohan and Piccolo of their first encounter, where Piccolo was preparing Gohan for the fight against the Saints. I wanted to show the innocent version of Gohan, where he is smiling at Piccolo, and Piccolo in his usual, I would say uninterested attitude, with his crossed arms looking like down to him. And on the upper part I'm drawing Beast Gohan and Orange Piccolo, both doing this special beam cannon from the latest movie, so their first forms and their last most powerful forms. I thought that would be a very nice contrast, and as I had this idea, I had to draw it. A nice challenge for the 10-hour version, and now let's see how it will go, and I will talk to you in the end again. So guys, as you can see, I got over 2 hours left, which really surprised me. But the drawing is done and I think it really looks great. Everything turned out as I have imagined. The colors are great and I really like the contrast. Orange Piccolo I drew in a Dragon Ball Z style, which fits him very well, and the pose of Beast Gohan was not easy, but I think it turned out amazing. You can see that I used different kinds of markers for the coloring, and you can find the links to them in the info box below. So guys, let me know what you think of this video and let me know what you think of each drawing. I'm really happy with the results, so I would like to read your opinion as well. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to help me out, and I will also upload this whole thing in full time on my real-time drawing channel. And the one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, so if you are interested in getting that one, check out my online shop. It's the one and only original drawing, no prints, so check it out. For commissions, message me on Instagram, and I think that's it guys. Thank you all for watching and I see you on the next